sound we know produced by the vibration of the object. The tuning fork, which has got two prongs and one stem, is generally we are using to explain the production of sound. In that, now A, B, C, these vertical lines are showing the air molecules everywhere with the same air pressure. When the tuning fork is set into the vibration, and when it goes in the outward, the prongs, if they go in the outward direction, there is air pressure, high air pressure developed in this region A, as it is shown in this figure, right? So this is having the high pressure and high density. This is called as compression. What is this called as? Compression. Compression. So a compression is developed in region A. Now in the next step of vibration, the prongs of the fork come close to each other. So this, now see, it is in the inward direction. You can see it. See, here distance is more, here distance is less. That means they are in the inward direction. So what will happen due to it? When it will go in the inward direction, air molecules near the prongs will get more space to move away. हाँ, और एयर की एक आदत है, जितनी भी है ना जगह वो सब भर देगा. So उसको जगह मिल गई तो उतना भर दिया. So what will happen to region A now? What will happen to region A? Less air pressure will be created. प्रेशर कम हो जाएगा ना, क्योंकि मॉलिक्यूल को ज्यादा जगह मिल गई. मोर वॉल्यूम, व्हाट इज द डेंसिटी? मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम. नाउ वॉल्यूम इज मोर, सो डेंसिटी विल बिकम less automatically. So molecule will be widely spread, right, creating the low pressure, and this is called as the rarefaction. What is this called as? Rarefaction. So compression, all the molecules are closer to each other. C for compression, C for closer, and so it will be having high density, high pressure. And another thing is rarefaction. So what happened? The air molecule in the region where the compression state was earlier, that was the A, transfer their energy to the air molecules in the next region. मतलब वो उसने B को दे दिया. Okay, so now B में compression हो गया because it has given all his energy to the next level. So the air in that region goes on compressed state. Such a periodic motion of the prongs creates the continuous compression and rarefaction. ये tuning fork बार अंदर होता जाएगा. So sometimes it will be outside, sometimes it will be inside. Right? This prongs path. This prongs path, it will go outward, inward, outward, inward. So here also it will become compression, rarefaction, like that. Continuously it will take place. And I'll just tell you what this is created. Now they are nothing but the sound waves. Okay, such a periodic motion of the prongs which contains makes the compression and rarefaction in the air. That is called as the sound waves. Okay, now the sound waves, when it reaches, see the way it is coming out and inward, see continuously. Can you see this part? यहाँ पे बहुत पास में है. So it is compression. Now they are widely spread here. So there is rarefaction. So compression, rarefaction. Again compression, rarefaction. like that it will be going on, and you are able to hear the sound due to this when it reaches to our eardrum. Now what exactly happens is that the specific signals are given to the brain, okay, because of this vibration. This is called as the you can say it as the we are hearing the sound. So when the dog is barking, that also is audible to us because our eardrum vibrates. Now let us understand that we understood that the sound waves are generated in the air, huh? And it goes away from the source, right? Now we will understand one experiment which shows you that the medium is necessary for the propagation of the sound waves. Now, for the propagation of sound waves, children, we are going to understand about the medium is necessary or not. We are going to make the arrangement as it is given in this particular diagram. See the diagram. क्या क्या स्पेशलिटी है? See, this is bottle जैसा part दिख रहा है. This is highlighted with the red color. Yes, children, am I audible? Huh. So this red color part. See, we are already learning the sixth standard that the material medium like solid, liquid or gases reaches us, then only we are able to hear the sound. Huh? So now we are taken one this vacuum jar. The bell jar is taken. So this red color part is the bell jar, which is placed on the smooth horizontal surface. Can you see the surface down? Hmm? Another thing, you can see the arrangement. Inside this is the bell. Can you see that golden color? This is the electrical bell. Okay, and these are connected with the vacuum pump. I'll just show you. See, this is the bell. This entire arrangement. See, when we have learned about the electricity chapter, we had learned about the bell also, na? Magnetism के साथ में, हाँ? Yes. So bell jar contains the electrical bell. Huh? Now this electrical bell is connected to the power supply through the lid and the of the bell jar. So the electricity is connected with it. Now see the entire circuit. Can you see this? This red color part. These are the wires. This is the battery, right? We have here battery. We here have key. These are the connecting wires through which this bell is connected. So when we'll put it on, the bell will ring. Correct? And the current will flow. See, the circuit is closed now. What was there previously? Circuit was open. Right? See this part. And now in this, the circuit is closed. So current will pass. So what will happen? Here, the bell will start vibrating. This part ना, यहाँ पे जो gong होता है, gong will stuck to it. So you will see that the bell is ringing and you are able to hear the sound of it. Okay, is this much part clear? So one bell jar is there. Say again. When the electrical supply is given, the bell rings and we are able to hear the sound. Right? Continuously the gong is getting stuck and the sound is produced. But when we on that vacuum pump, we connect the vacuum pump here and we remove the air. मतलब अभी ये जो बेल जार है ना, ये बेल जार, उसके अंदर अभी suppose air नहीं है. So what will happen as you are removing the air from the vacuum machine? you will see that the sound is becoming low and low. Intensity of sound is decreasing. Hmm? As the quantity of air inside the bell decreases, the level of the ringing of the bell also decreases. बहुत कम होते हैं and a time will come when you are not able to hear, nothing is audible to you, but as it is transparent I can say कि वो जो gong है तो उसको तो बज ही रहा है continuously थप 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 I can see that it is getting stuck, but it is getting stuck, then why it is not audible? So what conclusion can be drawn? Sound produced तो हुआ है because it is getting stuck. Vibrations are produced. Then why it is not audible to us? Previously it was audible. But what difference we have made? We had removed the air from the bell jar. So it shows that the air, or you can say that the material medium is required. Then only the sound can pass. Passing is called as propagation. Then only the sound can propagate. Hmm? Now I'll just tell you one fantastic thing that two astronauts are there on the moon. Huh? If they talk with each other, na, they are, the one person speaks, the other person is not able to hear it. Do you know the reason? What must be the reason? Yes, all are correct. There is no atmosphere, there is no air, there is no medium. So the sound एक ने बोला प्रोड्यूस हुआ but it is not reaching to the other astronaut. तो फिर अब इन लोग क्या करेंगे? Can you tell me what they will do? हाँ, they can use cell phone or they can use sign language. हाँ, either they can use sign language and nowadays पहले तो जब अभी था तभी तो मोबाइल भी नहीं था ना. When we have you can say kept the first leg on the moon, at that time cell phones were not there. Hmm? You know na, Rakesh Sharma ने अपना Indian astronaut who has kept the first leg, right? So they are using cell phone. Now all those vibrations are they radiations? So radiations करके connect करके उन लोग कर देंगे. So mobile phone will be the ideal thing for them to communicate. Message type करो, message से वो करो, radiation से हो जाएगा.